Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your ultimate source for home decor and interior design ideas and inspirations. Today we are exploring 14 stunning Scandinavian summer-style foyer makeover ideas specifically tailored for modern luxury homes. Get ready to transform your entryway into a bright, airy, and sophisticated sanctuary that perfectly captures the essence of Nordic summers. Before we dive into these inspiring designs, please make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more luxury design content. A sleek, minimalist bench crafted from light ash wood serves as the perfect anchor for a luxury Scandinavian entryway. This setup maximizes natural sunlight to create a warm and inviting first impression for your guests. You can accessorize the bench with a simple white linen cushion and a textured throw blanket. It perfectly balances functionality with clean Nordic aesthetics to elevate your modern foyer. Swapping dark floors for wide plank light oak instantly brightens up your entire entrance hall. Introducing a large, potted fiddle leaf fig or monstera plant brings the vibrant essence of summer indoors. The rich green foliage contrasts beautifully against the pale wood tones and neutral walls. This combination establishes a fresh, organic luxury atmosphere right at your doorstep. An oversized round mirror is a staple of contemporary Scandinavian design that enhances spatial perception. Hanging it above a minimalist console table helps bounce natural light throughout the luxury foyer. The delicate blonde wood frame keeps the look grounded, organic, and effortlessly sophisticated. It is a simple yet powerful way to make your entryway feel twice as spacious and bright. Incorporating woven rattan storage baskets and a durable jute runner adds wonderful texture to the space. These natural materials invoke a relaxed, sun-kissed summer vibe while maintaining a high-end luxury feel. The earth tones complement a crisp white or soft beige color palette seamlessly. It is an excellent strategy to introduce warmth without cluttering your modern minimalist entry. If your foyer features large side windows or a glass door, dress them in breezy sheer linen curtains. These lightweight fabrics allow maximum sunlight to filter through while still providing a soft layer of privacy. The gentle movement of the fabric in the summer breeze creates a serene, dreamlike ambiance. This design element infuses your luxury home with an instant coastal Nordic charm. A floating white marble console table introduces an element of sleek, modern luxury to the Scandinavian foyer. Decorate the surface sparingly with a few artisanal neutral ceramics and matte stoneware pieces. Keeping the floor underneath clear enhances the feeling of spaciousness and light within the entryway. This sophisticated arrangement exemplifies the less is more philosophy beautifully. Adorn your entryway walls with a collection of minimalist, botanical art prints framed in light timber. Choose illustrations with clean lines and soft watercolor tones that evoke a peaceful summer meadow. This art collection acts as a sophisticated focal point without overwhelming the eyes. It is an artistic approach to bringing Nordic nature directly into your modern luxury home. Painting a single focal wall in a very soft, washed pale blue captures the serene essence of Scandinavian summer skies. This subtle pop of color breaks the monotony of all-white interiors while remaining incredibly elegant. Pair it with crisp white trim and light wood elements to maximize the coastal luxury aesthetic. The result is a soothing, sophisticated entry that welcomes you home with a breath of fresh air. A custom built-in wardrobe featuring floor-to-ceiling wooden slats offers both hidden storage and architectural interest. The vertical lines create an illusion of higher ceilings, which amplifies the luxury feel of the foyer. This design keeps summer jackets, shoes and umbrellas neatly tucked away out of sight. It perfectly merges high-end Scandinavian functionality with a clean, contemporary visual appeal. Replacing standard light fixtures with an oversized sculptural paper pendant light creates an instant artistic statement. The delicate paper material diffuses light softly, mimicking the gentle glow of late summer evenings in Scandinavia. Its organic shape adds a whimsical yet luxurious touch to the minimalist entryway. This stunning fixture proves that lighting can double as an extraordinary work of art. Nothing says summer like an abundant arrangement of fresh wild flowers placed right in the foyer. Utilize a large, clear glass vase to keep the display looking light, transparent, and effortlessly elegant. The vibrant pops of natural color inject life and a delightful fragrance into the luxury space. It is a simple seasonal update that makes a profound impact on your entryway's atmosphere. For a truly modern luxury statement, consider installing custom terrazzo flooring with subtle pastel and quartz flecks. This durable surface reflects light beautifully and introduces an understated playfulness into the foyer design. The soft tones coordinate beautifully with light wood furniture and neutral textiles. It offers a sophisticated, contemporary twist on traditional Scandinavian summer home aesthetics. Introducing subtle brushed brass accents through hardware or lighting adds a touch of warmth and luxury. Pair these metallic details with a sleek bench or stool upholstered in premium cream leather. The combination of rich textures elevates the Scandinavian simplicity into the realm of high-end opulence. It is the perfect way to infuse sophisticated glamour without disrupting the calm Nordic vibe. Embrace an open concept layout that connects the foyer seamlessly with the rest of your luxury home. Large panoramic windows that look out into a lush green garden will invite the beautiful outdoors inside. This design fills the entrance with an abundance of natural light and gorgeous summer views. We hope you enjoyed these ideas, so please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel.